Hey there, it's Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy. In this video, I'm going to show you what I used to put together June's Stamp Club packet. Now, if you're not familiar with my Stamp Club, we are looking for new members. We're getting ready to start a new session, but it's a 6-month commitment. You place a $30 order using Stamp Club host code, and then I will send you a packet of 3 cards. Now 2 of the cards you'll make yourself. That's what this month's packet looked like. And then the 3rd card comes pre-made that I make for you. So the perk of Stamp Club is, first of all, I show you how to use a lot of products. I try to teach you some new techniques, and if you have questions, I'm right there to answer them. And the other perk is that all of the members of Stamp Club take turns receiving the stamp rewards. So after everybody's placed their order, along with your order, when it's your turn to host, I guess you would say, although really you don't host because it's all online, but you would get the stamp rewards from that month's club orders. If you have questions, be sure, give me a call, because I'm probably not very good at explaining it, but I really like Stamp Club, and I think my members have come to enjoy each other's company because we meet once a month on Zoom to make our cards. I also send out a video link, so if you can't make it to the Zoom meeting, or if you like to make your cards at your own pace, you can just go from the video link. But like I said, if you have questions, you let me know. So let me show you what I use to put together this month's cards. I'll show you the cards too. So this is the first one. And we're going to use all the colors that we used last month of ink, but I'm going to add in some Balmy Blue. So Balmy Blue, I'm using Pear Pizzazz, but as you could see, any green would work there. Any close color that's close to Balmy Blue that you have would work also. And then I'm going to do my sentiments and the center of my flowers in that early espresso. So these are 2 colors we used last month. I'm going to just add the Balmy Blue this month. And then the other card, which looks like this, I'm going to use that Pale Papaya. There again, if you have Petal Pink, I think that would work too, or anything close to that color. And then the Calypso Coral. And I'm going to bring in my Calypso Coral dauber. We'll need that to do the peaches just like we did last month too. Okay, and then tool-wise, I always suggest that you have, paper snips. I don't know if you'll need the paper. Well, you never know. You better have a pair of paper snips handy. I suggest a pickup tool or a piercing tool of some kind, a strong adhesive. I'm probably going to use the liquid glue, although you could use Stampin' Seal Plus or even tear and tape, but I bet you I use the liquid glue. You'll of course need just your plain old tape runner, and I suggest glue dots, and for dimensionals I'm going to use the standard and the mini. Oh, and don't forget to have your bone folder handy. So that's all the tools, like nothing fancy, but then look how cute this second card is. It's going to pop up like that. So it's a fancy fold and just a plain Jane, I think, beautiful card this month. So there you go. If you have any questions, be sure and reach out, let me know, and I'll answer all I can. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at Club. Bye-bye.